Football is where we're starting as Jamaica's Reggae Girlz sealed qualification to the CONCACAF round of World Cup qualifiers by becoming Caribbean champions following their comprehensive victory over Cuba last evening. Karen Madden reports.
The Reggae Girlz had already booked their ticket to the United States with victory over Trinidad and Tobago on Friday. But they ended the Caribbean final round of World Cup qualifiers in style with a 6-1 thrashing of Cuba at the National Stadium on Sunday to finish at the top of the table. Chinyelu Asher opened the scoring for the marauding Jamaicans in the 18th minute. The competition's leading goal scorer, Khadija Bunny Shaw, scored the first of her 2 goals on the night. Bonaro Penalver and Captain Olansi Arabato Gianza spoke with the media through an interpreter.
Yes, it came as a surprise to us. We really didn't expect it to be such a big margin. But at the same time, we're satisfied with the team and with the job that we did, because we qualified for the final stage, and it also gave us the things that we need to work on. Yes, we knew this would be a very difficult game. We didn't expect it to be with the margin, but we worked hard, and as a collective, we gave it all from the beginning till the end, and we ended on a positive note with the goal that we scored nearly at the end of the game.
It's played for us, Lauren and myself, so, and they play with some of these girls, so, we understand the environment we're getting into. Obviously, it's all about resources and getting into that, but, we like our chances going in. I think we can compete. Hopefully we'll get pushed up the rankings and after this event, and it just takes time, and we're going to take it a game at a time.
And Jamaica's captain Konya Plummer was also grateful for the strong support for the Reggae Girlz.
First and foremost, we could have played without the spectators, but it wouldn't be the same. So I just want to thank Jamaica for coming out, people on the broadcast, whatever, to just support us, and it was tremendous.
3 teams will gain automatic qualification to the 2019 Women's World Cup in France from the CONCACAF Championship. A 4th team can also advance through a qualification playoff with a team from the CONMEBOL Confederation. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, the United States or Canada await the Reggae Girlz in the CONCACAF Women's Championship, which runs from October 4 to 17 in the United States. The governing body of football in the region CONCACAF have seeded the 2 North American teams, meaning the Jamaicans will face one of the 2 in the group stages. The draw for the tournament will be held on Tuesday, September 4 at the CONCACAF headquarters in Miami, Florida. Cuba, Trinidad and Tobago, Panama, Mexico and Costa Rica are the other teams that will be playing in the tournament. The top Caribbean team from the tournament will book a spot in the Pan Am Games in Lima, Peru next year. Jamaica's best finish in a CONCACAF Women's Championship was 4th, which they achieved in 2006.